Okay, so I'm doing my reaction video, and I'm in your dark room in third hour doing this because I have yet to. And I took your advice, and Ecole gave me a video to react to, and already I'm kind of terrified, so thank you, Ecole. I'm gonna see how this goes. Okay, you got two dudes bouncing. Actually, okay. Kind of getting that Thomas face is weird, man. Is he like smashing that with his face? Oh. Yeah, I mean, yeah, y'all bounce a lot. I guess y'all do like the party. Oh, he's out. He's zoomed. Oh, oh no! What? What is this? Thomas just became. Oh, it's. Oh. Oh my. Okay, well. Thomas just went like full on Megatron on those poor dudes that just like to party and bounce. Yeah. I don't know what you do with your spare time, Ecole, but it's kind of great. Thanks, guys. See ya.